we are here at the Siemens booth to talk about the high-end, brand new drive system, SINAMICS S220. So Guido, why is this drive system the high-end choice?
Well, Rajveer, that's because it's so powerful. We have the new multi-core control unit, COC23, offering 12 axes to be controlled, including safety, including a lot of functionality. But not only that, we have also increased power density. Some modules we have reduced to half the size, and we have even increased the overload capability.
So, sounds very powerful, but can it adapt to different needs?
Of course, the SINAMICS S220 is a very versatile drive. It starts from 1 kilowatt up to 900 kilowatt, and it applies to many applications. You see here a digital twin of a real lasagna machine, and we show processes like cross-cutting, for example, where precision and dynamic must match together.
So performance and scalability sounds great, but what about trust and security?
Yes, Rajveer, you're right, that's very important. We have increased the safety integrity level to 3. So now we can move access around people without any protection barriers, and the people are still safe. And also cybersecurity is very important. We provide a security level of 2, and we prove this by a certificate from an external body.
Okay, I see more than the cross-cutting demo here.
Yes, of course. We show here also other applications like pick and place. And for pick and place, high dynamic is also very important. High acceleration means we need high overload capabilities, and we provide this. Also, filling process is very important. It is important that it is operated in an uninterrupted way. You can guess what will happen if such a process will come to an end and how difficult it would be to get it back in operation. So therefore, it is very good that the SINAMICS safety architecture now does not require any test stops anymore. Everything is done in the background. Nothing more to do for the customer.
So here it is, SINAMICS S220, where we have multi-core performance, scalable architecture, and built-in security, all brought together to one system.
Thank you, Rajveer.
All right, if you are here, don't forget to miss the chance to see it live.